Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I am going to be talking about some accessories and purses and stuff that I picked up from Shein. So I got these shoes, and this is a 41. I think this isn't a 10. I got these. Like, a lot of people think these are ugly, but I feel like these can be styled and look super cute. So I got these. I actually featured these in one of my vlog videos. So yeah, that's the only shoes that I got. So I got this purse right here. This one is the same purse but in a different color. So this one, and then this one, and I got it in orange. And orange and brown are my colors for summer. So yeah, then I got another orange purse, and it's in this one right here. Comes with a nice gold chain with this kind of quilted detailing, which I like, and it's hard. And as you can see, it's two different orange. Hold on, let me. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but these are two different orange. This is more on the light side. This is more on the bright fuchsia orange color. And I got this little bag. I honestly don't know why I got this. Or maybe I didn't know it was gonna be this small, but you can't fit anything in here. And quite frankly, if I'm going out, I want to be able to put my phone, my wallet, and my ID and stuff, and my cards and stuff in a purse. So this, it would just be for show. I'm probably gonna cut off these handles and give it to my daughter, because this is literally just for show. Then I got a light pink bag, and I actually wore this on my birthday, and this is how it looks. It's really nice. I love, as you can tell, I love these type of bags, you know, these days. I got this belt right here in black, and I also got the same belt in brown. I've seen a lot of people styling these belts on Instagram, and also a lady I follow on Instagram wore a type of belt like this, but it's the expensive version, and she always has some amazing outfits. So I got that, and I'm also forgetting one. I also got this quilted bag right here, and it's in a nice deep chocolate brown. It comes with a handle like this. You can also attach the long straps that comes with it. These are the straps that comes with it. I love the straps a lot. And then I got some sunglasses. I love how their sunglasses actually comes with a case. so I don't have to worry about where my sunglasses are at. I can just stick it in the case and go. So I think I heard Mama Honey. These are the first pair. Super dope. And I love the colorway of these. These are the next pair. They are a bit more on the sporty, street style-esque style. So yeah, I like them a lot. These also came with a case, which I love. And then I got some jewelry from them. So I got these earrings right here. They're super cute. I love ear cuffs. I'm not a big fan of earrings, especially big earrings. So if I'm ever to wear anything or wear an earring, it's definitely going to be a stud or a small ear cuff. Small, medium ear cuff. I haven't really got into the large ones just because they're not really my thing. I got these earrings. These are super duper cute. I love the colors. These are another one. These are similar to the ones that I showed you guys at first, but they have pink, yellow, and purple and white in it. It's super duper pretty. These are another one. Super cute. And these are some cuffs. These are more some medium cuffs, and you have some studs in the middle. And these are the final pairs that I got. Super cute. I'm gonna put these two together since they're both pearls. Don't know if I showed this one, but here it is again. So those are the accessories and stuff that I got from Shein. Comment what your favorite accessory was, which purse was your favorite, and which earring is your fave. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.